What is up, guys? Jerry here, back with another video, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, today we're actually going to go over the Jetta. I have received some questions from you guys regarding the Jetta, asking me what my plans are, why'd I get the Jetta. Technically, in this video, I'm going to just explain all these questions that you guys are asking and more. So, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is my Mk4 Jetta. Everybody is asking me why I got this car. It is technically a hoopty. I'm not gonna lie, it is a hoopty, but she has her benefits. So she does have a red hood. It had a gray hood. I went ahead and swapped that out because it was bad. It was all bent from here, and that kind of explains why the windshield is shattered. At one point, I believe that the actual hood flew open and smacked the windshield, and that's why it's cracked. But yeah, that's the reason that's like that. Well, let me go into the engine bay for you guys. All right guys, so this is the engine bay. Out the get-go, you can see it has a CTS intake. All right, it does have a forged blow-off valve, so she sounds so good whenever you're on the gas. It is a 1.8 T standing for turbo, as you guys know. So she has a little get-up. It's not the VR6. All right, it's not a VR6 or anything like that. I don't plan on VR6 swapping it at all. I like the 1.8 T. It's not bad. It's not bad. All right, now believe me guys, I have plans for this car, and I'm about to let you guys know what they are, and then yeah, just stay tuned. The wheels are mismatched. Okay, I mean, that's really how I got it. Okay, that's technically how I got it. Now coming out to the back, it does have a 2.5 inch exhaust all the way from the headers to the back. All right, so that's pretty nice. It sounds really rowdy, so that it sounds really good. Now this is the worst side of the outside. All right, so the outside on the passenger rear quarter panel, they actually hit it. I don't really care much about it just because of my plans with this car. I'll let you guys know in just a bit. Now let's go ahead and step inside so I can show you guys exactly what the interior looks like. All right. All right guys, so it is a 6-speed manual transmission, shifts like butter. Guys, she might not look like a lot, like she might not look like the best Jetta out here, but her drivetrain is perfect. Shifts like butter, turbo spools up really good. They're just things that the drivetrain in this car is just so good. Like there's no issues with it. Now the interior trim pieces are missing. As you guys can see, I have the whole panel on the driver's side missing. All right, that's pretty much it. We do got Recaro seats. That's pretty nice. I mean, they're kind of like falling apart on the passenger, but who cares? The rear is just dirty. I haven't really cleaned it out since I got it. It looks like the person that had it before put mud in here or something. I couldn't really tell you. I showed you guys the pins in the roof in the last video, so go check that out. That's technically when I first drove it, and that's when you guys started really asking questions about it. So this is the reason I'm making this video. Okay, now let's go ahead and get her riled up. So she does have a turbo gauge. All right, you'll see guys. Now she's cold, but she does make rattles and all this. She makes rattles, squeaks, and everything, all the noises that you can think of, this car makes. Okay, the squeaking noise is the drive belt, I'm pretty sure, the serpentine belt. The rattling noise is the exhaust. I don't really plan on fixing those issues just because of what I have in store for this car. Okay, now it is a Volkswagen, so it's obviously gonna have the Christmas lights on the dash, guys. So you guys know how that is. AC works, heat works. Guys, whenever the AC and the heat worked, I was like, yo, this car can be something. I was like, this car can be something. Let me turn it off. Let me show you guys exactly what I have in store for this car. It is a build, and I think it's gonna be like a really fun build, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. All right, let me go ahead and show you guys, and I'll pick you guys right back up in the next clip. All right guys, so here's my idea. All right, I actually have a set of 275/70 18s. All right, they are all-terrain tires. They're used. I purchased them off a guy. Now, hear me out. Hear me out. Since I was young, I've always had a desire of like exploring things. Okay, and one of those things have always been having a car on dirt tires, mud tires, all-terrain tires, and just going off-road with it, ballistic wise, like just having straight fun with it. And I feel like this right here is the perfect candidate for that. All right, guys, just because the drivetrain is perfect, transmission is perfect, suspension is perfect, I really have no issues. Not, it doesn't pull or anything. It just looks like the looks on it is not the best looking car, how I can explain it. And this is exactly why it's the best candidate for this. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and install these big 18 all-terrain tires on this car. I hope you guys enjoy this build. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I feel like it's gonna be a really fun build, and you guys are gonna enjoy it, I'm pretty sure. But right now I am still currently waiting for some parts to come in, just because, let me show you guys. So as you guys can see, this wheel is pretty much in there, and if you think about it, it's right here. The wheel is right there. So what I actually did is I ordered 2-inch spacers to bring them out, and I'm gonna try to either chop this fender up or eliminate it. We'll see whenever we get to that part. The rears are actually gonna be a pretty hard. Let's put this down. It is probably gonna be pretty hard to go ahead and try to fit, just because of this door. Since the car is a very small car, it's very compact. All right, so if you guys can see, this tire comes onto this door, but since it's so low, it's gonna sit up a little bit, so that might actually give us enough clearance to go ahead and cut right here, just right there. If not, we might have to take off the doors or cut through the doors. So we're gonna go ahead and find out whenever we get to that part. I can't really say exactly right now what's gonna happen, but I do know 100% that we're gonna have to cut that rear fender, and that's exactly why I'm really not worried about this side. Because either way, I'm gonna have to go ahead and cut it. So that's perfect. No issues there. I don't even care about that, because I'm gonna go ahead and eliminate that anyways. But yeah, guys, so those are the plans for the Jetta. Like I said, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I am actually gonna go ahead and start my day. It is currently like 10 in the morning. So let's go get some coffee, guys. Let's go get some energy. Let's go get some stuff. I need to go get a haircut. I'll pick you guys right back up in the next clip. Guys, I stay running this car without gas. I need to go fill up. You can tell I just went to go get a service too. Guys, the one thing I like about my car, my daily, my Altima, is that nobody can see me in here. I have 20% in the front windshield, and then I actually got 5% on the doors. So like, I'm like, nobody can really see me in here. So, but yeah, I'm on my way to go get my haircut. I need it. I need it really bad, guys. Look at that. Sheesh. Let me put this hat back on. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get my haircut, and then we're probably gonna go have some fun. All right, guys, no more hat. I don't gotta wear a hat right now. Nice cut, G. So I just got my haircut. Okay, we're actually gonna go out to Top Golf. If you guys don't know where Top Golf is, or if you guys don't know exactly what Top Golf is, it's technically, you can play golf. It's outdoor and indoor. I'll show you guys more about it whenever I get there, but it's a place where you can play golf and have fun with friends and all that, and you don't have to go out in the field in the sun and all that stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and head that way, and then we're gonna have some fun and play some golf. All right, see you guys in the next clip. What's up, guys?
What's up, Jerry?
What's up, man? Come on now.
Are you recording?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Come on. Come on. Come on. Woo!
That wasn't supposed to be.
Alright guys, so first swing of the day, alright? Go to the knee. I'm in Tiger Woods. I'm gonna show him how to do it. I'm gonna have to show him how to do it, guys. Alright, let's kill it. Show the feet. Show the feet. Come on now. Come on now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey guys, you think we can touch this water? You think we can touch this water?
Can you?
No, I think it's inside. I think it's inside it. That's cool though. That's cool. That's cool.
Look.
Alright, hey, I'm gonna start rolling to your house then.
Huh?
I'm gonna start rolling to your house.
You coming to my house?
Yeah, because we're gonna ride.
It's fine.
Alright, I'll meet you
You
guys.
ain't taking your bike?
No.
You're taking all bikes.
Alright, let me go to my house and I'm gonna grab my bike. And I'm gonna ride to your bike, to your house. Alright.
Okay, I want to ride this.
Alright, bet. Alright guys, so we're actually back at my house. We're actually gonna go ahead and ride. So the weather is beautiful outside right now. It's like almost 80 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and take advantage of this weather and we're gonna go ahead and ride the old Gromster. Sheesh, she's looking pretty. She's sitting here pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and turn her on, guys. This exhaust sounds so good. You got to learn, G. You got to learn. All right, guys. We got the Grom. We got the Riker. This thing is sweet. Look, you got that one wheel on the back. Here, bro. Hold the vlog. Look, this thing got disc brakes with a brake caliper and pads. What? This is a car.
know.
This is a 3-wheel car.
Ain't it nice? Yes.
It's a 3-wheel car. What the heck? Then you put it right there. And you're good to go. Oh shit, there's Jerry. Hit it hard, hit it hard. Hit it hard. Go. Ooh. I think it's like a car. It feels like a car.